Brandon, pull the plug. You have to fix this. You have to fix it now, Brandon. Or I'll bring Boris over to fix it. You fucking fix it, bruv. Or I'm bringing Boris to fix it.
Whether you're a space nerd or a casual stargazer, you have to admit NASA's new collection of deep space photos is astonishing. Check this out. They come from the agency's James Webb Space Telescope, which is designed to look back almost to the dawn of time, and it's helping answer some big questions about how our universe was created. Mark Strassman shares the cosmic slideshow.
Daunting in scale, 7,600 light years away from Earth, the Webb Space Telescope's jaw-dropping image of the Carina Nebula details stellar birth in our own galaxy and dazzles NASA astrophysicist Amber Strong.
Every dot of light we see here is an individual star, not unlike our sun, and many of these likely also have planets. And it just reminds me that, you know, our sun and our planets and ultimately us were formed out of the same kind of stuff that we see here.
This image shows stellar death in the Southern Ring Nebula. A yawning cloud of gas and dust reveals a fading star, part of the universe's life cycle. Webb's power and promise, time travel. This pinprick of light flashed more than 13 billion years ago.
And by going just a few 100 million years farther back in time with Webb, we want to see toddler galaxies and infant galaxies.
Okay, that's creepy, bro. Stop it. Not with that fucking goatee. Come on. Fucked up. I was with you until you got all libertarian on our asses, dude. For fuck's sake, not everything is sexualized, bro. I don't know if you've ever done this, but this is called a joke. Everyone in the chat got it. That's why they're playing along going, huh?
They're just forming.
Were you blown away?
Absolutely. They're fantastic, and they include something that is a deeper infrared image than has ever been taken in history.
Compare. Here's the Hubble's image of the Carina Nebula, and one more look at the Webb's.
And liftoff. From a tropical rainforest to the edge of time itself, James Webb begins a voyage back to the birth of the universe.
This engineering marvel
I take back everything I said about this fucking Indian food, bro. There's a pineapple in this. What the fuck? Why is there a fucking pineapple in this, dude? Everything was so good. Until I thought I was eating another, like, ooh, I was like, ooh, a last bite of chicken. What the fuck? Bro, Dutch people need to be banished, bro. We should put everyone in the Netherlands in The Hague for that fucking crime. I love pineapple. It's just, it doesn't belong on everything, okay? Dutch people, you fucking weirdos.
launched last Christmas. Unfolding 1 million miles from Earth, 18 gold-plated hexagonal segments form a giant mirror. A sun shield the size of a tennis court blocks the sun's heat from blinding Webb. The result, ageless clarity, like the 5 galaxies in this image called Stephan's Quintet. The first image is astounded NASA Administrator Bill Nelson.
It's almost a spiritual experience because you realize that there was a beginning, and we have come from that beginning.
Deep space may answer deep questions, as Amber Strong told us last December.
They're more than just arcane science questions. They sort of get to the heart of what it means to be human.
It really is something, this cosmic reach back to when stars first lit up. For CBS Mornings, Mark Strassman in Atlanta.
Very cool. And to your question, Gail, who is James Webb? James Webb ran NASA from 61 to 68. He's seen as a lion of the Apollo moon program.
Yeah, I figured he had to be somebody.
Wasn't he like kind of a controversial figure? Yeah, C-Marts. For the political aspect, James Webb was a massive homophobe participating in the Lavender Scare. NASA had a closed door committee to reconsider the name and decided against it. Many astronomers are upset. Yeah, I remember.